Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a Cash App pin, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the Cash App help site because I don't have Cash App in my region, so I'm not able to show you guys exactly how to do it in the app itself. However, the process is simple enough, and you should understand it very well from this guide here. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into your account settings, and over here you can update your contact information if you want, but what you can do is you can reset your cash pin or require a pin or touch ID. Now, if you don't have a pin already, when you try to send money to somebody else or to another Cash App account, you will be prompted to choose a Cash App pin, which is going to help secure your account. You can do it like that, or if you want to reset it, you should remember what your pin is. You need to tap your profile icon, select privacy and security, tap change cash pin, and follow the prompts. Now, if you've forgotten it, I do recommend you contact support because you won't be able to change it without the pin that is currently active. I'm pretty sure. If you can reset it without it, great. If not, contact support. And yeah, you can require the pin to make payments from your Cash App by going to the profile icon, selecting privacy and security, toggle the security lock on, and then you need to enter your pin or touch ID, and then that is going to enable you to use your pin or change your pin if you want to for online transactions. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.